Very early in the course, in application number 1, we build this application where you could, as a user, you could enter a word in English and get the definition of that word. And we use a JSON file to store the data, which is quite flexible. The problem with that solution is that JSON file could be big, so you have to load that JSON file anytime you run the program. And that could give you a problem with the performance of your application. So in this lecture, I want to show you how to use a MySQL database instead of using a JSON file. We're going to build the program up to a point, and then I'm going to ask you to build the rest of the program as an exercise for you. So earlier we had the data stored in JSON. This time the data will be stored in a database. This is a database, this is a remote database. I'm going to give you the credentials so that you connect and query data from this database. And this here is a graphical interface. It's called phpMyAdmin. It allows you to see the data in the database, to query data and so on. But you can also do that with Python. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. But first, let me make you familiar with the database. The database has some tables. This is a table we're going to use, dictionary. If you click that in phpMyAdmin, you see that the table has 2 columns. Expression, which is the word in English. There's many of them. You see, you can show more if you like. And so then you have the definition column. So every word has a definition. So expression and definition. So now let's go back to our program, to our Python file, and let's start building the application that is going to query data from that database. So let's start from the next video.